The production process of the paper-faced gypsum board manufacture. Raw material preparation. Slurry preparation. Initial setting. Drying, stacking, and packaging. All equipment can achieve automated operation, improve production efficiency and product quality, and ensure the stability and reliability of the production process. The gypsum board manufacturing machine has multiple advantages, including but not limited to the following. Firstly, the equipment adopts advanced technology to achieve automated production, improve production efficiency, and reduce labor costs. Secondly, high-quality raw materials are used to ensure product quality. In addition, it can produce gypsum boards of various specifications and size. It also has good adaptability. Finally, the equipment is easy to operate. With low maintenance costs and a long service life. Regarding customer requirements, we can provide paper-faced gypsum board manufacturing machines of different specifications and sizes, and provide customized design and production according to customer requirements. At the same time, we can provide full service support before, during, and after sales. Including equipment installation, commissioning, training and maintenance. If customers have special requirements, we can provide professional technical support and solutions. Our company can produce an annual output of 1 million square meters to 50 million square meters of gypsum board production line. Can also customize gypsum block equipment. Gypsum powder production line. If you need Please contact Sunny to give you professional answer.